In today's video I want to show you some tips and tricks how you can create pixel perfect motion paths in your next Articulate Storyline 360 e-learning project. Hi, I'm Spermon from Upward Online Learning, where I teach you how you can create e-learning modules yourself with Articulate Storyline. And are you new here? Then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. Are you ready? Then let's get started. So in my first example, I want to create an animation that my rocket flies to a position on the upper right corner. Now imagine it has to be a precise position on your slide. So how can you do this? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to insert a shape, a rectangular shape, and I give it the same dimensions as my rocket. So see what this is. Go to format. This is a width of 80 and a height of 140. So I'll give this also a width of 80 and a height of 140. I want that it has no fill and a 1 pixel outline, so that's okay. So what I can do, I can drag it right here. And now can we create a motion path? So I'll select this one, go to animations, click on motion path. I choose a basic motion path, so this one, align. And what you see here, there is a transparent image with the endpoint of my motion path. So what I can do now is I can drag the transparent image to my rectangle, and it fits exactly in the rectangle, so I know I have the right position right now. And there are also some keyboard shortcuts that you can use. If you press Ctrl Shift and you use the arrow keys for your endpoint, you can see it will move 8 pixels in left to bottom, right or top. But if you want to do it more precisely, you can hold only your shift key and it will move only 1 pixel. So 1 pixel to the upper, left, right or bottom. So this way you can really position your motion path pixel perfect. So in my second example, I have two objects, one circle here and one circle here. Now let's position them on the same width and height. Where is my, no, this one is not. So I will select them both, go to format. So they are positioned on the same width and height. Now let's check the animations path. They have both a motion path, and what you can do, or what Storyline does for you, is if you want to that they go to the exact endpoint, you can drag this one and it will snap to the endpoints of the other one. So it makes it easier to get them to the same endpoint. So if I preview right now, you will see that they're moving together and over each other. So in my third and last example, I have now 3 circles, and I want that they come together in the middle here. Now, I could do it by snapping, but there is also an easier way, and I want to show it you right now. So I already created a motion path here, and what I want to do, I want to add the same motion path on the other 2 circles. Now, I can do it manually, but there is an easier way. So what I do now is I double click the animation painter, select this circle, and you'll see they all have now the same motion path with the same path options. And to make sure that they come together in the middle, what I'll do, I'll select the endpoint, hold my shift key, select the endpoint of the second motion path, and also select the endpoint of my third motion path. And you'll see right now that the X filling field is empty. So I'll give a dimension right here, for instance 360. And you'll see that all the endpoints jump to the same endpoints, so to the 360 here. So I'll hope that this tips give you inspiration to make sure that your motion paths are pixel perfect in your next Storyline 360 project.
Do you have any questions about embedding your Articulate Storyline course in WordPress or about Articulate Storyline in Common? Then place a comment below these videos and I promise to answer it. And if you want to create great engaging e-learning in Articulate Storyline, make sure that you get my free step-by-step guide on how I create e-learning in Articulate Storyline. And I know for sure that it will help you because it describes my whole process that I use for every e-learning module in Articulate Storyline that I built. And was this video useful to you? Then hit the like button below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos.